All right, I've been trying to make this harmonic video just a quick introduction because I had a couple queries about it. Harmonics are just if you're in the trading or crypto, even if you're very new, I'm sure everybody has heard of harmonics before. Harmonic patterns are basically the things that everybody just does already: support and resistance levels, fib retracements, trend-based fib retracements, pattern recognition. Harmonics are just kind of like a layer above all of that, and it kind of wraps it up, puts it in a little bit of a bow. I believe the last post or the last trade setup that I posted was these crabs. We posted this in the MDX Crypto Discord channel. I believe that was our last post. Believe it or not, these patterns are called crabs, and there's any number of patterns out there. If you're brand new to harmonic patterns, let me show you something very, very quick. It's a couple indicators that are on TradingView that I want you to add. Go to your TradingView indicators and just start typing in harmonic. Maybe auto harmonic pattern. These are the two that I want you to put in there. It's called Auto Harmonic Pattern Extreme by Trendoscope, He Who Must Not Be Named, and Auto Harmonic Pattern version 2. There are plenty of harmonic patterns, automatic fib retracement indicators, auto harmonic indicators. I'm no way affiliated with these two indicators, but these are two good ones if you're brand new to harmonic patterns and you want to kind of tip your toe in the water of harmonic patterns. So let's go ahead and why I asked you to put both of them on there, even though they're from the same people. Like any indicator, they're slightly different. They give you both slightly different results here. We just turned on the harmonic pattern version 2, and it has identified some harmonic patterns here as the top of this range sorts itself out. And then also too, let's turn on the automatic harmonic pattern extreme, and let's zoom out so you can kind of see that a little bit better. And it has identified different harmonic patterns. Let me zoom in because I can't see the ratios. No, Cypher. Yeah, Cypher. It's a computer program, so it has limitations. Support resistance levels. They're not an exact science. There's FOMO energy at candles, FOMO energy at the bottom, FOMO energy at the top. Depending on what if you're trading Bitcoin, for example, there's any number of different charts, and they may not necessarily have the exact same tops or bottoms. We identify, and it's actually good because we might actually this might actually fail, but not really because it actually completed. So we have these crabs, and did they work? Yeah, they worked. Let's just do a fib retracement real quick from the bottom of the move to the top of the move, and you can see here perfectly that this crab pattern, or at least this fib base, just nailed the 382. So this pattern actually completed. I think we're still in it, and I'm still in my shorts. I did take a little bit of a profit out, but because we did hit the 382, which is one of the targets of the crab, of these crab patterns, that is one of the targets. So once we started resisting off our fib channel here, I took out some profits. And what are we going to do next? One of the things I was looking at is this pitchfork pattern. And wow, so that's what I think we're in the attitude, or the price is in this ascending move here. We're coming up to some strong support and resistance. So while we're riding inside this double rainbow, it seems to be working fairly well. I mean, we nabbed it, resistance, support, resistance, nabbed it, and it seems like this is riding out fairly good, fairly well. And then also one of the other things I was kind of looking at, and I didn't publish this in the Discord channel because I was not 100% positive of it. But another thing I was looking at was perhaps that the attitude, the way the herd is moving right now. Yeah, something like this, kind of like in a broadening ascending wedge like this. And again, I'm not exactly positive that this is a thing, but it does appear. Yeah, let me move it over just slightly. Drew this kind of quick. Seems to have found, its bias, as an upward bias, and we're tagging and we're tagging. So between the pitchfork, the ascending Fibonacci channel, or this fib fan, this basically a Gann chart, I think that our median line that looks pretty close to a 45 degree to me. So I would love to know what your opinion of this is. So post it down in the chat. Again, just to kind of recap, all my trades that I post on our YouTube channel are going to involve some kind of harmonic pattern. They're not scary. They're not hard. It basically just encompasses what you guys are already doing. Support resistance levels, trend-based fibs, fib retracements. Don't be put off if I post trade setup and it has these funny zigzag lines on it. It's just another layer on top of the stuff that you guys are already doing. And if you are into this kind of stuff, or want to get more into it, we could probably do videos in the future, but just Google it, put it in your Googleizer, put it in your Brave machine. There are tons of resources available out there that can explain harmonic patterns in much more depth and much better detail and more sciencey than I can. But in the future, we'll do a deep dive into the harmonic patterns and some of the math behind it. Wow, we're streaming now. Hope to see you on the tables, and good luck in the trades.